Dr. Pasha Rudenko has shown us how TriboTEX works in really harsh environments, talking high temperatures, lots of high revs, and in no place do we see that more than in a boat engine. You see the high revs, you see the high temperatures, and you see a lot of harsh conditions around. So how is TriboTEX helpful in a boat engine?
Boats are closest to racing applications. They practically don't cruise. They are high RPMs or idle at marina. So TriboTEX very good at protecting that high RPM engines from extra wear and tear, and also it's high humidity environment. Water is everywhere. TriboTEX does not turn into acids. It's ceramic, so it forms a film that is resistant to water and lasts for a very long time.
In a boat, how often are you replacing your TriboTEX?
For most applications, it's once for a lifetime or for a few seasons. Depends how well it's stored. Sometimes boards get misted and it takes away film and protective coating or put anti-corrosive inhibitors that might interfere with it. But once a season is a perfect application. There's
a particular application you're looking at. It's with a jet boat.
Yes, we, on top of our unlimited hydroplanes, we have few new applications with the racing jet boats and sprint boats. And we had a case where the engine that couldn't perform to its build desired specs because it was breaking all the time, we was able to make it not just into running condition, but into winning championship that year in that league condition.
And that's just from TriboTEX alone?
Yeah, that's just for TriboTEX alone. Frankly, we did some tweaking to the formula, but for most people who drive boats for leisure, original is the best fit.
If it's good enough for a jet boat, it's good enough for military equipment, it's good enough for giant industrial applications, it's going to be good enough for your vehicle. Check out TriboTEX at TriboTEX.com. We will return with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings and more cool products right after this.